In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently manage your bills and payments in your accounting software. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be comfortable navigating through your purchases section and keeping your financial records up to date. So let's get started. First, you'll want to head over to the purchases section, which you can find by looking at the left sidebar. Once you've located it, go ahead and click on it, and then direct your attention to the bills option. This is where you'll be managing all the financial transactions related to purchasing items from your vendors. Now that you're in the Bills section, you'll notice a Plus New button. This is an invaluable tool when it comes to creating new financial records. Go ahead and click on it to begin the process of adding a new bill to your records. You'll be prompted to choose the vendor responsible for the bill from a drop-down menu. If, by chance, the vendor you're dealing with isn't already listed, don't worry. You have the option to add them right there in the drop-down menu. This keeps your vendor list accurate and up-to-date. After selecting your vendor or adding a new one, the next step involves entering some important bill details. You'll want to carefully type in the bill number, which is usually found on the invoice you've received. Similarly, input the bill date as well as the due date. This information helps you track when payments are expected and due, and keeps you aware of all outstanding obligations. Moving forward, you'll need to fill out the item table with the purchased items. If your item is already available in your system, simply select it from the existing list. Should you have something new, don't hesitate to add that item, as it makes your future accounting efforts more streamlined. Alongside this information, you might find it helpful to jot down a few notes or even attach the original invoice as a file. This is especially useful for record keeping and for any future reference that might be necessary. Once all these details are in place to your satisfaction, go ahead and hit save. This locks in all of your hard work and stores the bill within your system. The next step involves managing the payments. You'll return to your purchases section, but this time, you're heading over to Payments Made. To add a new payment, simply click the Plus New button. Within this section, you'll select the vendor's name, which will in turn display any and all unpaid bills associated with that vendor. This makes it easy to identify exactly what needs payment. As you ready yourself to enter the payment, be sure to note the exact amount you're paying for each bill. If your goal is to pay the whole outstanding balance, there's a handy Pay in Full option that will automatically fill in the remaining amount for you, saving time and potential error. Finally, select how the payment was made, whether by check or electronically, and indicate the account through which these funds were disbursed. Once you've double-checked all the details, click Save to finalize and ensure your payment is accounted for in your records. By following these steps, you maintain accurate and up-to-date financial management in your accounting software. Thanks for joining, and remember, organized finances make for smoother business operations.